Which of the following statements cannot be made on the basis of the facts in the passage? Let's go through each choice and pick the one that cannot be backed up by a claim in the text. A. Black was the color of the volcanic glass the Mayans used for weapons. When discussing the colors of the Mayans' dye, the text tells us that black stood for war and weapons, and that it was the color of the volcanic glass they used for spears. Because this can be backed up in the text, it is not our answer. B. The color red was made by grinding up insects. Continuing with the colors in the passage, it tells us that red stood for blood and they ground up little insects to get this color. Therefore, this again can be marked as incorrect as it is a fact that can be backed up in the text. C. The mollusk purple color dates back to early Mayan history. The text tells us that we're not sure when the purple color began being used, but it was probably at a later time, because the colors are made from a sea mollusk, and the Mayans had to go to the Pacific and Atlantic shores, and they didn't do that kind of traveling early in their history. Because this cannot be backed up in the text, it is very likely our answer, but we're going to check out the fourth choice just in case. D. The Chinese introduced Mayans to silk floss. The text tells us clearly that the Chinese came to their shores and they brought the Mayans silk floss. Because this is backed up in the text, it can be marked as wrong, and our final answer is C. The mollusk purple color dates back to the early Mayan history.